Hello, friends. It is wonderful once again to be back with you. Today, our subject is political dire needs versus unfocused minds of the political parties. Friends, it is 75 years since India has got independence, the Bharat Desh, with cultural, Vedic importance and a spiritual giant of the erstwhile history. But today we don't have any seat in United Nations also. India is one of the poverty and corrupt practiced nation in the world. Britishers have given us a taste of administration. Mind you, they were principled to some extent, but to drive the riches of India to their country. But Indian politicians have toiled hard, the stalwarts have made some progress, but that is not enough with the scale of the country and the constant gauge of the public, the world. Where is India? India is a big democracy like America, but still here 70% of the people are lower middle class and below poverty line also, about 30% below poverty line also. I don't know the exact statistics, excuse me, but I am giving you just about an approximate picture. What is the reason for this? Our administrators have toiled. Friends, they have not focused on the real things. They have made political parties and the dilly-dallying between the political parties has landed our country in a slow progress. India is Ratnagarbha, Bharat Desh. India is in Makar Lagna. With Venus, the Lakshmi goddess, is in Vrishabha Lagna, 5th house. So even in the past also, the Mughal kings, Akbar, and many kings of South India, Krishnadeva, many places where the kings have ruled, there was imminent resources and riches. We see, as per the temples we have in the history and present today, great temples were built in those old days which defy science and technology of the modern ages also. India has been a cradle of civilization according to Tolstoy. The science and technology flourished here when there was no major civilization in the West. Friends, the planet Saturn, Shani is lording Capricorn. Shani means slow. And this money house is also Capricorn, Aquarius, sorry. It is also a slow sign and a negative sign. Here, Saturn means it is the medium coil of the world, or it is the major influence on the world. When India is good, when India is given a chance to develop itself and others, then the world will be peaceful, world will be developing on the proper lines. This is the story underneath the position and status of India, Bharat Desh. Bhava Raga Yukta Tala Desha. But our politicians have literally kept the problems overboard due to the political reasons. Ambedkar might have given us a constitution, but still the progress is very slow and friends, our average people in villages, they don't know what is protein food. They don't know what is clear water. no toilets on the roadside, no provision for passing urinals in a clean environment, no roadside urinals, public urinals. We got a small hint from the US President Mr. Obama when he visited India. He told you people, you don't have any toilets also, public toilets also. You have a bad way of hygienic, personal hygienic. You use the open air, open defecation. It is a disease-ridden environment in previously. Saturn is the ascendant lord. Saturn is also for impurity and cleanliness. Impurity, Saturn is, it's not cleanliness, impurity and pollution. That is what India is. Even if you go to big cities and capitals also, sometimes in interiors you see the dust on the roads. And it is a pity that first the countries are not in the vision of the states, and the country is not in the vision of our stalwarts who are working there. The suggestion system is gone. People don't know on the village side what is blood pressure. When the emotions run high in the family conflicts, there is no peace in the family. People fight among the family and the neighboring people also. There is no law and order. This is not a orderly administration we have. Makara Lagna is only noted for karma. Looking things in the same eye, good and bad. That is what the advantage of Makara Lagna and lauded by Shani is. That is the property which leads us to liberation. It is a moksha bhumi, it is a karma bhumi. See how we are looked down in the eyes of foreigners. People think that Indians are crazy for money. True, world is also crazy for money. But the spiritual revolution has to come from India. The Vasudhaika Kutumbakam is taught by the Indians in the very early yugas also. But why this neglect? Even in villages and whatever small river resources we have, there is no proper irrigation cleanliness. The water is wasted through canals. Mosquitoes are there plenty, and there are no drainage systems, proper drainage systems. The roadside canals brood mosquitoes. Is this the India we deserve? No. We have to open up the administration. We have to see that at least with the amount of internal resources, if we cannot do, let us at least join our hands together and make a wonderful India, technologically equal on the apparent vision with the cleanliness of New York or Sydney or Mexico, Montreal, Copenhagen, such cities, clean cities, how they look. Mirror images, they look like images in mirror. Let us make our India like that. First of all, let us clean and let us organize our cities and towns. Let us give them nice hygienic conditions to live in without any ill-managed drains. Let us give them nice roads to travel. There should not be any potholes. road should be clean, and give them, let us also some nice transport. Transport should be cheap, and there should not be any run for looting. Friends, let us find the internal resources of the country. Internal resources, of course, is coal. Many mines are there. Tourism is there. These are the important things. And the culture itself should be spread across the nations. The spirituality and the culture should be taken up in a big scale. Send our Gurujis who are in spiritual practices to Western countries, to all countries, and propagate the Indian culture. Send our musicians, our music maestros, and our dance artists, classical dance artists from Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi from Andhra. Send those artists and constantly perform and learn through exhibition of culture. Try something like this. Export our toys, export our food resources, and you concentrate on the exports. You send to poor countries, exchange something from them. Poor countries, Namibia, Zambia, Thailand, Cambodia, some countries like this, poor countries. They may not pay you handsomely, but they have the reciprocity. Earn something from them. Get something from them in return. Tell them what is Atmagnana, spirituality, what is the nice way of cooking, our way of food, Ayurveda. It is very important, friends. The government should focus. With these few words, I take leave from you, and I will promise you that I will come up with another important topic. May we make all India, our motherland, strong. May we lead the service to all other countries, the spiritual and the cultural service, because our ascendant Lord Capricorn is lorded by Saturn. Saturn means service. Thank you.